and Sass. The series talking all things skin with a side of sass. Hosted by Kelly George and Andy Paulson. Proudly sponsored by KGA Body. Hello everybody and welcome back to Skin Sass TV.
Woo!
I'm Andy Paulson and I have with me the lovely Kelly George.
Hi everyone, welcome back for this season.
Yes, and so exciting. We are actually here where the magic happens at KGA, Kelly George Aesthetics.
Hometown advantage.
Yes.
And we've got some amazing episodes for you this season, starting with Don't Sweat It, which is how you can use anti-wrinkle injections to treat excessive sweating.
That's right. Also treating double chin, which I'm very excited about.
And we're going to treat Andy in the episode, so you'll get to see the full treatment, which is amazing.
And that's the awesome thing about being here on site at KGA is that every single episode this season, we're going to show you in-clinic treatments, which is awesome.
Amazing.
And we've also got things like brow lift with anti-wrinkle injections.
Laser tattoo removal, laser for spider veins and little broken capillaries.
And also microneedling with PRP. So stay tuned. We've also got a controversial episode coming up later in the season.
We do. And we're going to show you how we lift Andy's brows.
Which I'm very excited about. So stay tuned, everyone. Thanks for joining us again for Skin Sass TV, brought to you by the amazing KGA Body. Thank you, KGA Body.
Anytime.
All
See you
right.
soon, guys.
Bye.